I'm back. I know you guys missed me. I didn't quit YouTube. But anyways, how y'all doing? Where y'all at? What y'all been doing when I was not on YouTube? I just been busy, if you guys care. I just been catching up on schoolwork because school's about to end and I just want to make sure I have great grades and all that. But I'm back, so yay. Now that I'm back, you guys will see my face more often. Anyways, I'm just gonna start the video on which I came here for. Me unboxing my new sewing machine. My mom ordered a sewing machine. It's not like mine, but it's like both of ours because we're the only ones who's gonna use it. I've never had a sewing machine, don't know how to use it, don't know how to sew at all. That's why we brought one to learn. It doesn't look as complicated, but we did buy some threads and all of that, fabric, all of that, so we could test some things out and see, you know, how it is, you know, when you get something new. But I'm about to show y'all. By the way, you guys, this junk is heavy as heck. I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks first, and then it got the nerve to say lightweight at the top. Maybe I'm just weak. This is how it looks. It's the Brother brand. I don't know where my mom got this from exactly, so I guess you guys could look anywhere online. They should have it there. But we're gonna get to the unboxing part. I have to go get the scissors and everything, so we're just gonna like hurry that up because I want to see how it looks inside of this as much as you guys do. And I feel like I just be talking so much. Let's go get the scissors. So hopefully you guys can see. Sorry about this black lighting. I can't do anything about that because that's a part of my window. So anyways, I'm gonna cut this open. Okay, so at this point, guys, we're in it, and it got like these little tools here. I'm not putting anything together without my mom because I don't know how to do any of this. This tool book or whatever this is. Not a tool book, but it's just tools in there. Now let's open it. Guys, it's mad big. Look at it. It looks so cool. Thank God it comes with an instruction manual. I need that. Ugh. This is how it looks in the packaging. I'm gonna take it out. Be prepared to see some sewing videos. Oh, so it has a thing that you step on. Look, if you go like this, that's the thing that you step on, I guess. You plug it in and then you like step on it when you're sewing or whatever. This is looking nice. I wish the lighting wasn't so bad so I could show you guys like perfectly. If I could get another clip of it, I will import it because I want you guys to see like the cuteness of it because it's like really cute. It's heavy. So in here it's where the sewing action actually happens, as you guys can see. And then I got this little thing, and oh, that's really sharp. And I almost put my hand on it. Y'all see that? So then the back is just plain. Yeah. And at the top is just these little things. I don't know what any of that is, but I'll figure out as we go by. But this is really cool. I would recommend this to somebody, especially if you know how to sew. Definitely. And then in the front, it's just like this thing, like you can twist it, I guess. It probably got to be on, and when you twist it, whew. This is so heavy, guys, sorry. I don't know what any of this means, any of this is. I don't know what nothing is. But this is so cute. So mainly, that was just about it. Like, that's all I wanted to show you guys today. This was just a little unboxing video. Me unboxing my new sewing machine that I got. I was supposed to do a video on it yesterday, but I was busy, so I wound up not doing any video at all. Whew, it was just so much, you guys. But thank you guys for watching if you did make it this far. I love all the support. Thank you guys for getting me to 600 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Just keep subscribing, keep showing love, keep becoming a part of the crew, and I'll have a whole lot of more videos for you guys. I love you guys. Make sure you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with somebody that you think will like it also. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.